Are you frustrated by the social tab not working in Helldivers 2 and your friend list failing to show up? You're not alone, but don't worry, we've got some quick fixes to help you get back on track. Step 1. Turn on crossplay in your game. Open the game, go to the main menu, click on Options, then select Gameplay. Look for the crossplay option and make sure it's turned on. This allows players from different platforms to appear in your social tab. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure you're running the latest version of Helldivers 2. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the game, select Properties, then click on Updates to check for any available updates. Sometimes issues with the social tab can be related to Steam overlay settings. Make sure Steam overlay is enabled for Helldivers 2 in your Steam settings. Also, ensure that your Steam friends list is visible and properly synced with the game. Occasionally, corrupted game files can cause problems with the social tab. Verify the integrity of the game files through the Steam client to ensure that all game files are intact and functioning properly. There you have it. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the social tab not working issue in Helldivers 2.